This is the Black Messi. I call it Black Messi because when I built it, I made everything black and it was matte black. Kind of gave me that feeling of excellence. And today we're going to test it against a mystery box. So there we go. It's a K truck from WPL. It's a drift, comes with a brushless motor, simulated frame, Y drift shaft, and all those things. What's up, Julian? Are you coming back to skateboard? Okay, cool. Very nice. You have the control, the instruction manual, and you have the car itself. The only difference is that these are similar, but the difference is, okay, cool. Both of them are similar. The only difference is that long time we would buy this alone. So you buy this and then you modify it. But now they have changed it to a point that you can buy this plus the kit. That makes it much better. So you can be able to drift, you can be able to do all those things. And they give you additional parts to modify the body, where before you would have to go look for the additional parts to modify the body. I'm feeling like, or I feel like I should leave it as it is, like more stock, and see how it drives, and then from there I can decide whether to paint the body and modify the body to be able to look something like this. Maybe give it a red. Let's see how far we can go, like with the fixing, and how basic it is or how complex it is in terms of fixing. So I still have some time before I finish this. What happened here? Damn. Damn. Very nice. Very nice. Now you can turn. And then now I have this part to pitch. And then once you get the hang of that, then you can push yourself. This is actually one of the sketches of builds I've ever done. Not because of the product itself, just the level of things going on. It's not feeling it. Sometimes you have to push it or just sort of the mess. I think I'll go for sorting out the mess first. Ooh, okay. Dope. Okay. So we got that part going. Okay. Now, the remaining things, we're going to just have a quick brief look. Let's see what I can find. A bit flimsy because there's nothing holding it. awesome, really nice truck. I still need to figure out what's up with that. I also want to figure out what's up with the left and the right, because it's drifting from one direction, and then the other direction it doesn't drift. Overall, nice car to experiment with. Well, I'll see you guys on the flip side. As you can see, this is on the flip side, so I'll see you guys on the flip side.